Please, do you know how many metro lines is there in Riyadh City?
No. I don't really know.
You don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
You don't know how many stations.
No.
You don't know how when the metro will be launched.
No, I don't know anything about
You
this.
don't know. Okay, thank you. Please, do you know how many lines are there in metro covering Riyadh City?
No.
Do you know how many stations?
No.
Do you know when the metro will be launched?
2024?
2024. This year, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Good morning. Do you know how many metro lines is there in Riyadh City?
No.
Do you know how many stations are expected to be to connect the city?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure. Do you know when the metro will be launched?
Soon. 2024.
2020. Okay. Good morning. Do you know how many metro lines is there in Riyadh City?
Huh?
Do you know how many metro line?
No.
Do you know how many stations will be in to cover Riyadh City?
No.
No. Okay. Do you know when the metro will be launched?
I heard about it, but 2003, right?
30. Probably. Let's see. Good morning.
Good morning.
Do you know how many metro lines will cover Riyadh City?
No, I don't.
You know how many metro stations?
Nope.
When the metro will be launched?
Nope.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
How many metro lines will cover Riyadh City?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure. Do you know how many metro stations will be there expected to cover Riyadh City?
Probably maybe 100 or something.
Okay. And when the metro will be launched?
2030.
Okay, thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Do you know how many metro lines is there in Riyadh City?
No.
How many stations?
I think 4 or 3.
Okay. And when the metro will be launched?
Next month?
Next month. Good morning.
Good morning.
Do you know how many metro lines will be there in Riyadh City?
No.
How many stations?
No.
And when the metro will be launched?
I feel like in a few years. I'm not sure.
You're not sure. Thank you. Questionnaire. Only the big questionnaire, okay? appreciate this.
Five now.
Hi, I'm Sama. I'm from Forsan International School. Today we had the company Little Engineer come to our school and help us learn about the Metro Riyadh and how it will work. And we learned about how many lines were there, how many stations, and we learned how to program the metro as a robot metro to go from one line to another line and from one station to another station.
Hi, I am Najain Muhammad. I come from Al Forsan International School, and today we learned about how to program a robot, and we learned about the metro line that's coming in 2024. And I'd gladly say thank you Airbus Foundation for helping us learn how to program robots. I've learned so many new things. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm 14 years old and I am from Forsan International School for Girls. We are programming robots, building robots for the metro station that is coming in the end of 2024. Thank you, Airbus
Foundation. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Haya. I'm 14 years old. I'm from Al Forsan International School. Today we learned about the metro stations and the metro lines, and we learned how to program the robot, and we thank Airbus Foundation for having a very nice experience today.
Okay.